Hey everybody, Sarah at Caddy Garage. So I brought my boyfriend down here to the alignment shop. He had to get his truck aligned today. And I saw this, obviously not a Cadillac, Chrysler, but I thought it was kind of cool. Thought I'd film it for you guys. Apparently it's for sale too. Just kind of a neat looking old car. It reminds me of Persian sand on a Cadillac, the color. Looks almost identical. Sorry for any reflections that we're getting. I'm trying to film the best I can for you guys. Here's the information if anybody might be interested. It's a 59. Pretty cool. Obviously has the iconic, very big fins. That's pretty awesome too. It has the original dealership tag. So we were talking about one of those in one of my other videos about how dealerships would put their tag with their name. So that's pretty cool. Joy dealership in Texas. That's awesome. Air Force veteran car. Really, really neat. So anyway, hope everybody's having a great day. Just wanted to film it for you. Say hey to everybody. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.